Managing one AI agent is already messy. Managing 5, 10, or 20, that's chaos. You've got multiple terminals, no shared memory, no cost tracking, and if your computer shuts down, everything stops. That's already the problem that PaperClip solves. It turns your AI agents into an actual company, with roles, with budgets, and with structure. What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy your own AI agent company using PaperClip on a Hostinger VPS, step by step with zero technical experience required. By the end of this video, you'll have your own AI system running 24/7, even when your laptop is off. Let's get into it. Before we set up anything, let's quickly understand what this actually is. PaperClip is an AI orchestration platform. That sounds complicated, but here's the simple version. If tools like OpenClaw or Claude are your workers, PaperClip is the company that manages them. It gives your agents roles, tasks, budgets, and reporting structure. Instead of manually prompting AI over and over, you define a goal, and your agents work together to achieve it. For example, you can say, build me a 10,000 per month startup idea, and PaperClip will assign research, break tasks down, track progress, and log everything. It's basically turning AI into a business system. But there's one problem. You need infrastructure. And that's where most people get stuck. A lot of people try to run AI tools locally, and it works for about 10 minutes. Then your computer sleeps, processes crash, memory resets, and agents stop working. Local setups are fragile. They're not built for 24/7 automation, multi-agent systems, or long-running workflows. And most importantly, they're not scalable. That's why you need a VPS. Now here's where this becomes very easy. Normally, deploying something like PaperClip would require Docker setup, terminal commands, server configuration, but Hostinger removes all of that. They've created a one-click Docker template for PaperClip, which means no coding, no setup complexity, and no technical headaches. You just click deploy and your AI company is live. And on top of that, your data stays private. Your agents run 24/7, you can scale easily, and you don't pay per agent, which is a huge advantage. So let's actually set this up. First, we need to buy a VPS. There's a link in the description below that will take you directly to the PaperClip VPS page. Once you click on that link, you should be seeing the same page that I am seeing. Different VPS plans. You have KVM 1, KVM 2, 4, and 8, all at different prices. Now here's what I recommend. Choose a plan that gives you enough resources for multiple agents. Because remember, you're not running one AI tool, you're running a system. So we want something stable. Select your plan and add it to your cart. Now, before you check out, you can use MFW at checkout to get a discount on it. Once you've applied that, complete the purchase. And now we move to deployment. After purchasing your VPS, go into your Hostinger dashboard and scroll down to VPS. Then select Manage, Docker Manager, and select Compose. Scroll down to one-click deploy and search for PaperClip. Select it. You then want to add your email and any API key that you have, and make sure that you save your password. Once you have added in all your information, scroll down and select deploy. That's it. No terminals, no commands, and no configuration headaches. As highlighted in the setup brief, Hostinger's Docker template removes all manual setup and launches a production-ready environment instantly. This is what makes this beginner-friendly. Once it has been deployed, under Access, scroll down and select Open. Enter your email and the password that you just saved, and then sign in. You can then give your company a name. We will just name this Kyle. You can also add any mission or goal. You can then select the adapter type. We will select Codex, then select Next. You can then give it something to do. Just click Next, and then you can create an open issue by launching it. Once you open PaperClip, you will see the dashboard. This is where everything happens. There are two main views that you want to focus on. The first is your org chart. To access this, in the left column, scroll down to Company and select Org. This shows your AI agents as a company structure. You can create CEO agents, managers, and workers, each with different roles. Next, you have your Kanban board, which shows you tasks. Just like a project manager management tool. You'll see to do, in progress, and completed. Everything your agents do are tracked here. And this is where PaperClip becomes powerful. Now, let's build something simple. In the left column, scroll down to Agents and click the plus sign. Then select Ask the CEO to create a new agent. We will then tell it what it needs to do. So we want to create a new organization. Start with a CEO agent. This agent is responsible for decision making. Now add a second agent, Junior Analyst. This agent will do research. Now we need to define a goal. Build a 10K per month startup that helps users track fitness goals with friends. Then select Create Issue. Now watch what happens. The CEO agent breaks down the task, assigns research, delegates work to the junior analyst, and everything gets logged. This is exactly how PaperClip is designed to work. Structured, goal-driven AI orchestration. Now here's one of the most important features, budget control. You can assign limits to each agent. For example, you can set a $5 budget for your research agent. To do this, go to your agent. So we will select the junior analyst, go to budget, then select set budget. So we have set a budget of $1. Once that budget is reached, the agent stops. Automatically, no surprise API bills, no runaway costs. This is huge if you're running multiple agents. Let's step back for a second. What you've just built is not just an AI tool. It's a system that runs 24/7, organizes itself, tracks everything, and scales with you. Instead of manually prompting AI, you're managing outcomes. And that's a completely different level. Here's what you can actually use this for. Content business. Agents research topics, write outlines, and generate content. Dropshipping. Agents find winning products, analyze competitors, and generate product descriptions. SaaS ideas. Agents research problems, validate demand, and generate MVP concepts. Marketing automation. Agents run campaigns, analyze performances, and suggest improvements. This is why people are calling this AI companies, because that's exactly what it is. And here's the key thing. None of this works properly without a VPS, because your system needs to stay online all the time. And with Hostinger, your agent keeps running overnight, while you're working, while you're offline. That's the difference between using AI and building with AI. Let's quickly recap why this setup works so well. One-click deployment, no technical setup, full data privacy, unlimited agents, built-in security, and always-on automation. This removes the biggest barrier for most people. Before you go and build your own system, avoid these. Don't overload with too many agents at once. Skip budget limits or ignore task structure. Start simple, then scale. We're moving into a new phase of AI. Not just tools, but systems. People who understand how to structure AI will have a massive advantage. And PaperClip is one of the easiest ways to start. If you want to run your own AI agent company without dealing with a complicated setup, you can use the link in the description below to get started with Hostinger. Make sure to apply the code MFW to get a discount on your VPS. Set it up, follow this tutorial, and you'll have your own AI system running in under an hour. And if this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content just like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.